What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
What's the minimum space for human beings to develop their daily activities? This narrow but internally spacious cabin is located in Tokyo, city of space narrowness. In most cases, people may make fun of things they don't know the value of or don't know the purpose of constructing them in most of the large metropolises in the world that suffer from large overpopulation. And this often requires the exploitation of the least space for a large number of people. In fact, this genius idea has been implemented in Tokyo when he took advantage of a little space with a roof in the shape of a cylinder, which made many people who watched it mocked. Citizens of large metropolises increasingly choose to live in small houses. This allows them to reduce maintenance costs, but without the need to lose comfort. This mini house of only 19 square meters belongs to a Japanese architect and his wife and is located in Tokyo, one of the most expensive real estate markets in the world. The architect and his wife lived before moving to Tokyo in a small house of 38 square meters in Yokohama, the second largest city in Japan behind Tokyo, which they had dubbed as Love House. In Tokyo, where they've recently moved due to labor issues, they've only been able to allow this narrow plot of 31 square meters between two houses, where they've made their Love House 2. In the design of this mini house, the owner and architect of the house, Takeshi Hosaka, was partly inspired by the classic Roman houses, the domus, which dedicated a relevant space for bathing, studies, or music. In fact, the space, although reduced, is enough to enjoy the preferred habits of Hosaka and his wife, namely eat, read, bathe daily, and listen to vinyl records. Another source of inspiration for Hosaka comes from Scandinavian design because the low light that the house receives from the exterior facades led him to find an ingenious solution to capture more light. This concept led me to draw the outline of two curved roofs that are open to the sky, Hosaka himself explained to Dezeen. In the winter, the two skylights effectively bring soft sunlight to the house, and in the summer, the house is filled with a bright sun like in a tropical country. The roof shapes are flat at the bottom to complement the style of the neighboring buildings, but they gradually curve as they ascend to create arched openings. The roof is lined on the outside with galvanized aluminum panels. Inside, the reinforced concrete structure is visible as part of the design of the house. The height of the sloping roofs makes the interior more spacious. 7 partitions extend from the reinforced concrete walls to define the dining, kitchen, and bedroom areas. Wooden furniture seems unusually small because of the height of the roof and compensates for the robustness of the concrete. The space inside the building also increases due to its connection with the outside through the skylights and a large sliding door that covers the living space. So much so that passers-by stop frequently to chat with the couple while they sit at the dining room table. The architect Takeshi Hosaka, author of this urban cabin, was based on two famous experiences: the Hoyo Square of 9.18 square meters, the works of Chow Mai and Cup Martin, 16.85 square meters of Le Corbusier. This minimum housing exercise for a couple has a concrete deck that ends in a round skylight, which floods the interior with light. I wanted to realize in this small house the 5 elements that made the Roman ideal to live in the villa: study, bathroom, theater, music, gastronomy, says the architect. The roof that rises like a sloping roof allows the space to feel more open than it really is, because when looking at the floor, it's clear that the spaces are tiny but very well distributed. Due to its geographical location, during winter there's no direct sunlight in Tokyo, but the round opening allows to take advantage of the few hours of light. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.